In this video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on Monopoly Go that's not your friend. To get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to open Monopoly Go on your device and make sure that you're signed in into your Monopoly Go account. Now go ahead and head over to the Friends tab, and in here you'll be able to find the friend request that you've received on Monopoly Go along with the suggested friends. On the leaderboard section, you'll be able to find global, local, and your friends list. So if you want to remove a friend, you can simply click on them and remove them, but there is no direct option for you to block them directly on Monopoly Go. Now, if you're not friends with that specific individual, for example, this user, I cannot do any action to be able to remove or block this user. So what you can simply do is to go ahead and open Facebook on your device if your Monopoly Go is connected to your Facebook account. Go ahead and open that specific account, and on that account what you can do is to simply search for that user and block that user on Facebook. Since if you've blocked a user on Facebook, that specific user won't pop up on your Monopoly Go suggested friends and friend request list. And that is how you can simply block someone on Monopoly Go that's not your friend. We hope this video helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give it a like. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.